is our pile that we need to get rid of. There's still some good stuff in there. There's some pipe mixed in there. But it's right off the back. The basement entrance is right there, the back porch, and that is the kitchen that you can see. But we are trying to clean up this area. A lot of that brick and stuff that you see came out of an old cesspit. There's part of it right there. Again, like we said, the weeds got ahead of us with everything else we've been dealing with, but it's a perfect circle. So right there, but that's where a lot of the brick has come from. So we're just trying to get it cleaned up. Okay, we're back here by the side of the tenant house. There are the railroad ties. We try to store a lot of stuff here right along the property line. You can see that right there. We do that because we don't want to have to move it again, and it's kind of out of the way back here. And that's the goal. Well, again, there is our pile that we're going to be sorting through, and the tractor is in place, so there's a nice breeze, and we'll get this going.
You are the words and the music, you are the song that I sing, you are the melody, you are the harmony, praise to your name I will bring. You are the Lord of lords, you are the mighty God, you are the King of all kings. So now I give back to you the song that you gave to me, you are the song that I sing. You are the words and the music, you are the song that I sing, you are the melody, you are the harmony, praise to your name I will bring. You are the Lord of lords, you are the mighty God, you are the King of all kings. So now I give back to you the song that you gave to me, you are the song that I sing.
Well, out of all that whole pile, we thought we had lots and lots of floor joists and stuff that we could reuse, but we got to the end of it, and that's all burn, or refuse anyway. We call it the burn pile. This is all stuff that we can't use, and we reuse whatever we can, so that's saying quite a bit. We were able to save some. We loaded a whole bunch of the stuff from the basement, and Carrie's gonna go put it on these railroad ties over here. Except I kinda, just wherever you can put it. I wasn't thinking I'd put the tree right in the middle of where we're gonna drop it. But it's not the first mistake I've ever made. We won't tell Carrie, but she's gonna be editing this video, so I don't know, I'll probably get caught. But we put the forks on the tractor, and looks like it's gonna work out pretty good. Carrie will drop them off. Beautiful sunshine today. Cooler weather. your fork is on the, you can't do it that way, your fork's on the railroad tie. You have to get your forks in between the railroad ties. Just don't back up too far because I put the tree in the wrong spot.
Well, we got that pile all sorted, and we thought we had a lot of floor joists in there, but we did not. So that was a little disappointing. But this is all stuff that has come out of the worst part of the house. So it will be, it's kind of in a burn pile. Some of the stuff, it was really sad to let go, but we just couldn't save it. And this right here, I don't know if Frank showed you, this right here, we think we have enough that we'll be able to fix the upstairs attic room with that. So we're pretty excited about that. But we have all this metal piping, and we have some carpet that we'll need to get rid of, but it's just kind of nice to, we put a lot of the metal in the metal pile, but this is now gone through, cleaned up. But again, like a lot of the bricks that you see came out of that sewage well, septic well, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, but we were able to clean up a lot, and a little bit of discovery. We got the wood, as Frank showed. We got that all on a nice pile over there. Well, we got this wood up off the ground. It's back here under the trees. It was a few things that were salvageable, but again, this was from the worst part of the house, as in the powder room, that bathroom, and some of that came from the basement. Taking off little chunks at a time, just little things like that. Cleaning up the yard just a little bit. Like I said before, we've had other things on our plate, and so the weeds kind of got away from us, but that's okay. Really nice to have that pile of wood gone, and that's great.
Well, right after we filmed the tour, we decided that there was only one piece of wire hanging, holding that place up. So we're gonna take part of it down anyway, or at least try.
I do believe some of that's rotten. This will be a little safer walking in, huh? Yeah.
That's pretty bad when I can break it.
Yeah. Well, you can see where the latex paint were versus the other white. I don't know. There it goes.
Got it.
Got it. Now we don't have to worry about the porch falling on us when we walk in the door.
Better.
Yep. Look at the different color of the brick.
Yeah, one's washed and one's not.
Yep.
Alrighty.
Very good.
Close enough.
Mine eyes have seen the glory of the coming of the Lord. He is trampling out the vintage where the grapes of wrath are stored. He has loosed the faithful lightning of his terrible sword. His truth is marching on. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. His truth is marching on. He has sounded forth the trumpet that shall never sound retreat. He is sifting out the hearts of men before his judgment seat. Oh, be swift, my soul, to answer him. Be jubilant, my feet. Our God is marching on. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Our God is marching on. In the beauty of the lilies, Christ was born across the sea, with the glory in his bosom that transfigures you and me.
Minnie, what are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? I see you in there. I got your tail. Your sister's crazy, Mia. You silly girl, Minnie.